Welcome. If you want to keep your Roblox experience private and hide your social network links from everyone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the quick and easy steps to hide your social networks on Roblox Web using the latest update for PC. First, open your browser and head over to roblox.com. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look up to the top right corner of the page and click on the gear icon. This icon opens up your account menu, where you can access all your settings. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page. Next, click on the Account Info tab. Here, you'll find all your personal details, including your display name, email, and more. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Social Networks Visibility. This is where you control who can see the links to your social media profiles like YouTube, Twitter, or Twitch that you've added to your Roblox account. You'll notice a few different options for who can see your social network links. Everyone, friends, and people I follow. Friends, followers, and people I follow, and no one. If you want to make sure your social links are completely hidden, select No One. This setting ensures that nobody, whether they're a friend, follower, or just browsing your profile, can view your connected social networks. After you've chosen No One, make sure to save your changes. Roblox will update your privacy settings instantly, and your social network links will be hidden from everyone on the platform. You can always come back and adjust this setting if you change your mind later on. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can take control of your privacy and keep your social networks hidden on Roblox. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more tips to make your Roblox experience safer and more secure.